I'm Robbie.
And I'm Shay.
And this is Shay and Robbie's Adventures. And in this video, we're in Denver, Colorado, and we're going to...
Wings Over the Rockies. Been to Wisebroad in Pueblo. We've been to the National Museum of World War II Aviation in Colorado Springs, and now we are in Denver at Wings Over the Rockies. We're gonna see how the three different places compare.
Yeah, and then we got some other stuff going on tomorrow, later today, tomorrow.
We got a whole weekend planned, well, whole overnight planned.
Yeah, so, all right,
Stay
let's
tuned.
go. All right, guys, we've been just walking around the museum just a little bit, but just wanted to give you a heads up. They have a YouTube channel that supports a lot of the stuff that they have. It's called Behind the Wings. I'll be sure to link it so you can check that out. It was only $19.95 to get in for adults. Of course, there's...
Per person.
Yeah, per person. So it's not terribly expensive. And of course, if you're military, first responder, children, you get in for even cheaper. And also make sure that you download the Wings Over the Rockies mobile app. They got all kinds of information about all the exhibits here. And actually, did you know this is one of two places?
For what?
Wings of the Rockies.
They have two locations.
Yeah.
I learn something new every day, people.
So this
every day.
So this is
one of two locations. Okay.
Yeah, it's the Air and Space Museum, and then they have like another aviation. It's just like they focus on aviation. So
Wow.
yeah. Look, Shay didn't even know.
I did not know that. I also learned today that they have Star Wars here as well. So I'm a Trekkie. I'm a Star Trek fan. I consider myself a Trekkie, but I do like Star Wars. And so it was really cool to see R2-D2.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see him. Maybe we'll show him in a second. But this whole Star Wars exhibit, this was actually built to promote the movie. And in 1999, this was given to the museum to have here on location. So when you come and visit, not only can you see some really cool old biplanes, a lot of bombs, a lot of replicas, but also Star Wars.
All right, let's go check out some bombers. They have a lot of bombers here. When we walked in, there was a huge bomber.
Yep.
There's one
behind us.
They probably can't see it in the frame.
The B-1 Lancer.
Yeah. So let's go check those out.
Yeah, my old boss used to be a B-2 bomber. Maybe I should get some more information from him.
All right, guys, I think I lost Shay. That bomber, it's in the background. I hope I did a good job showing it to you. There's two inside, there's one out front. Well, I guess I'll have to go find Shay now. But man, those things are massive. Trying to get them into on the phone, on the video, whew, it's a little bit of a challenge. I need a different lens. But I think next Let's go check out some jets. There's lots of jets here. Maybe I'll find Shay. All right, guys, I found her. She was out doing Aunt Shazy stuff. She's working double time. I'll link up her other channel. She does history shorts. I don't know if many of you knew that or not. But we checked out all the jets, and I'm sitting down and relaxing for a few minutes. I've learned that when we come to some of these museums, it's best to I scope it out a little bit, walk around, check everything out, find out what tours are going on, what talks are going on, go to those, come sit down, chill. Oh, here she is. You can be on audio if you want. Observe, take a chill, and then go out again and look around. And I've sat down twice now, and I just went back by the Huey and realized Tweety Bird was hanging from in the cockpit. Yeah, there she is.
Hi, I'm here. Sorry, I've been nerding out on each plane, so I'm taking a little longer than he is.
I told them all about Aunt Shazy.
Oh, you did?
So
subscribe
they're
to
all
my
going to
channel.
subscribe to that as well.
Oh, thank you.
I was just talking about just chilling out and observing and taking a break, because sometimes there's so much here that you're trying to take it all in. I mean, we got here at 1?
Yeah, it's 3:40. So we've been here for over 2.5 hours.
Yeah, and you could easily spend more time. I think we'll stay till it closes almost, because there's still the Lowry.
We haven't been up to the 2nd floor, and we have not been to the observation deck yet.
Yeah, so we still got to do that.
It's a lot to do in this museum. I'm loving it.
So on the 2nd floor is a little bit about the Lowry Air Force Base. And if you look around here, you can tell it was an Air Force Base, but obviously, what year did it close?
1994?
Yeah, 94. But I think they're using the space. I'm looking across, is hangar number 2. It's now an extra space self-storage. It's got a drive-through.
There's a little cafe.
Yeah, I think there's a brewery actually right in there.
There's a brewery.
I noticed when we pulled in, there was a lot of people there. So, of course, the museum where we're at.
Yep.
I see a 24-hour fitness.
So, in other words, it has grown up around what used to be Lowry's Air Force Base. I do know it opened in 1937 in Denver. And I do think it was 1994 when they finally closed it and said, enough. So we had a great time, definitely worth checking out. Where we are right now is on the 3rd floor. It is called the observation deck. If you kind of want just a panoramic view of this neighborhood, you can't see the Denver skyline or anything like that, you can come up here. Other than that, there's not much on the 3rd floor. There's an elevator if you don't feel like hoofing the stairs. So all in all, thumbs up.
Yeah, definitely worth it. And,
check it out.
Yeah, off to our next destination, Boulder.
Let's go.
This used to be an old motel?
I think, yeah. It used to be a motel, and they've just kind of made it a little hippy-dippy, total Boulder granola. They have a bar little area in there and a hot tub. Maybe we'll check it out, maybe we won't. All right, so we are at Base Camp, Colorado, and the reason I picked this place over a Holiday Inn or a Radisson is that it is the exact same price, but it comes with cool amenities, like a hot tub, that's cool. But back here, check this out, a rock climbing wall. They've got ping pong, they have a full bar and happy hour. It's called Camper Hour, I believe, from 5 to 7 every day, where you can get discounted drinks, so who doesn't love that? Let's go take them on a tour of this little area and see what they got.
Well, you can't beat that. You check into your hotel and then go back down and get some nice cold brewskis. Cheers.
Technically. Normally I get an amber. Today I got crazy and got a peach cider.
Alright guys, it's the next day. And where are we at?
We are in Chautauqua, New York?
No.
No, Colorado, Chautauqua, which is making me nerd out since I am from Chautauqua Lake, repping with my jacket today. Robbie's wearing his Bemis Point shirt, Chautauqua Lake hat.
Chautauqua Lake
We're
hat.
all Chautauqua'd out. But yeah, we are excited to be here because I grew up going to Chautauqua Institution, not Chautauqua Institute. Don't call it an institute, drives me nuts. But anyways, we're really excited to go on a tour, learn the history of this satellite Chautauqua and all that it has to offer. So let's walk around for a little bit till the tour starts.
All right.
So here's our general store. This is what we call Cottage 100. It really looks, this whole thing looks exactly like it did in 1898. People would come up from town. This is where we wanted the tram to come up. So at first they were walking, and I'll show you sort of what a rest spot was. The Chautauqua green that we have here, and we'll just, oh, it's just the cart. They'll get around this. Just watch these cars.
Doesn't require as much space.
Right, right. So what do you guys think that first few summers that they would be using the green for? If we use it, the circle here for parking today, what would the green be a good parking place for? Horses. Horse and buggy parking. That's primarily what the green was for. Then it was a golf course for a little bit.
We wrapped up the guided tour. That was awesome because we just learned a lot about the history of the area and when it started and why people came and the buildings and yada yada.
The history of the entire place. It was awesome. Highly recommend. And it's my favorite thing. Free. They do them free 10 a.m. on Mondays. So check out their website for more information on the tour. And then right behind us, a lot of construction going on. We got a minute of quiet, no pounding, no beeping. But they are redoing the inside. I guess the Sundance Festival is going to be coming here. So that is a big deal. And they're working on some renovations. Yeah.
Yeah. So now I think we're just gonna explore around. I mean, we went on the tour is only like a quarter mile long. It takes about an hour, but there's a lot of private residence. There's a lot of cottages that you can rent out. So we're just gonna walk around the streets a little bit and show you around.